Really encouraging news about the American economy. The Fed chair says it looks like we'll have a soft landing. We've been talking about that a lot over the past year, getting inflation under control without going into a recession. Investors on Wall Street really like what they heard from Powell. Take a look at this. The Dow just a few minutes ago closing up more than 1%, up 462 points. The Nasdaq up 258 and the S&P 500 also up by 64 points. So the big news from Powell today, lower interest rates are on the way. As we all know, the Fed started increasing rates in 2022. Sending them to a 23-year high in an effort to tackle the highest inflation we've had in decades. The comments today came in Powell's keynote speech at an annual gathering of bankers and economists in Jackson Hole, Wyoming.
Overall, the economy continues to grow at a solid pace, but the inflation and labor market data show an evolving situation. The upside risks to inflation have diminished, and the downside risks to employment have increased. The time has come for policy to adjust. The direction of travel is clear, and the timing and pace of rate cuts will depend on incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks.
Okay, so those comments right there are opening the door for the first interest rate cut since 2020. The cut is expected to come during the Fed's upcoming policy meeting. That is in the middle of next month. And investors think it'll be about 0.25% rate cut. That means credit card interest and car loans, mortgages will all get cheaper. You heard that caveat from Powell right there. He said it really depends on the data coming in. The latest data we have just from earlier this month. This is inflation right now. You can see it's been on a roller coaster ride, coming down 2.9% right there. But as you heard Powell say, he thinks we're on the right path. Fed's target rate is down here at 2%, but he thinks we're heading in the right direction, and that's why we hopefully will get a rate cut next month.